Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to add threads. Okay, for example, I will create circle. Okay, start from this point with diameter 6 and enter again. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. And there are two options to add threads. You can add cosmetic thread by using the tile tools, and then you can use the annotation. After it, you can select into the objects to apply the cosmetic thread. And another option, you also can create for the simple profile for thread. You can go to the sign, click sketch mode, and I will choose for the z-axis. You can change into z-axis in it like this. The next you can click plan preview, and I will use the line tools to create simple profile. Okay, I will create in it simple profile. Don't forget to press shift button hold to create profile without the constraint. Okay, like this. And the next you can click pull tools. So select the surface as the profile, and the next you can use this revolve tools. Select mid axis, and then you can check for revolve helix. Okay, now you can try to extrude. So it will be create a simple thread with the profile. You also can set for the pitch at this option. If you done, you can click to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to add thread. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.